She color combos, the concept of recreating specific color highlight trends using extensions alone, because no one colors like she. Once upon a time, blonde was a season, warm tones of fall-winter which then lighten things up for spring-summer. But each year, blonde becomes less of a season and more of a mood. The most dramatic celebrity change to happen so far this year was when the traditional fashion color singer Billie Eilish made headlines and went viral back on March 17th with her butterscotch blonde. In an Instagram reveal that hit 22.5 million views, she revealed a buttery blonde shag haircut. Then most recently, she graced the cover of Vogue Magazine, looking every bit the Hollywood blonde bombshell. But for blonde to stay looking good, it requires maintenance. For clients who want to ride the blonde train into summer but don't want to commit to that color maintenance, there's she. Our blonde shades include 20, 23, 59, 60, 61, 1000, and 1001. Unlimited artistry, the widest array of lengths, textures, and color effects. No one colors like she.